Up your grilling game this summer with the Cuisinart Griddler and Griddler Elite. Each of these efficient machines comes equipped with dual cooking surfaces and a hinged floating cover, meaning you can not only grill, but also press a panini, top brown a Reuben sandwich, or cook sausage on the griddle. The Griddler features dual temperature controls and cooking plates that drain grease for healthier cooking. The Griddler Elite adds a stylish LCD display, more cooking surface, and the special Sear Blast feature that locks flavor into your steak at 500 degrees. Ditch the traditional grill and discover fun new ways to enjoy your summer cookouts. Cuisinart, savor the good life.
Ninja Total Crushing technology crushes ice to snow in seconds with 1,000 watts of professional power. Our BPA-free XL 72-ounce professional blender jar is perfect for making creamy, frozen drinks and smoothies for the entire family.
See this? It's going the way of rotary dial phones and VHS tapes. That's because I would like to present to you the Snap-In Strain by Kitchen Gizmo. So many advantages to this innovative product. First, it easily clips on like this to a pot, pan, or basically any type and size of cookware, and it only takes up a fraction of the space that a colander requires, which is great if you have limited storage space in your kitchen, and who doesn't? As unwieldy as a colander is, the Snap-In Strain is easy and simple to use, even one-handed. It's also dishwasher safe, FDA approved, and BPA free. This is a product that just makes sense. I'm Holly with another Kitchen Gizmo product highlight. Join us next time for another fantastic, innovative kitchen product.